Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more crypto insights. Huobi Global, a comprehensive crypto investment platform review. Dive into the world of Huobi Global, a leading cryptocurrency exchange offering a diverse suite of trading services catering to both novice and seasoned traders. Supporting over 200 cryptocurrencies, from established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to a wide array of altcoins, Huobi is recognized for its substantial liquidity and extensive asset selection. Links to explore Huobi Global's platform are provided in the description below. This platform proves particularly advantageous for those seeking to diversify their portfolios or engage in frequent trading, thanks to its broad selection of trading pairs and robust trading functionalities. For the more experienced trader, Huobi offers sophisticated features including margin trading, futures contracts, and staking options, presenting a versatile platform for active investment strategies. Huobi's interface is highly customizable, empowering users to tailor their trading environment to their specific preferences. Traders can leverage advanced order types like limit, market, and stop limit orders, all meticulously designed to refine trading strategies and optimize returns. Huobi's fee structure is competitive, commencing at 0.2% per transaction. However, users can further reduce these costs by utilizing Huobi's native token, HT, or by achieving higher trading volumes. Furthermore, the platform offers staking rewards on a variety of assets, enabling users to generate passive income while securely holding their cryptocurrency. Security remains paramount for Huobi, evidenced by the implementation of robust measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, insurance funds, and cold storage for safeguarding user assets. Huobi's adherence to global regulatory standards ensures a secure and compliant trading experience for all investors. A key strength of Huobi lies in its impressive liquidity, allowing traders to execute substantial trades without significant concerns about slippage. The platform's mobile app provides seamless access to trading functionalities on the go, making it a convenient option for active traders who value mobility. In summary, Huobi Global presents a reliable and feature-rich platform suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Whether your objective is long-term holding, active trading, or generating passive income, Huobi's diverse toolkit and secure infrastructure position it as a compelling choice for cryptocurrency investors. Explore Huobi's offerings further by clicking the links in the description below.